everyone, welcome back. Today I'm teaching you how to take control of your phone notifications by using Do Not Disturb and setting exemptions for important stuff. I'll be using the Galaxy S22 Ultra for the demo, but don't worry, I'll cover Tecno, Infinix, OnePlus and even iPhones. Stay tuned till the end to catch the setup for your phone brand. Let's dive in. First off, for Samsung Galaxy users, you open settings, and you tap notifications, and you select Do Not Disturb. Okay, so turn the Do Not Disturb. Like, you can toggle it on and off here. Tap calls, messages and conversation under allowed during Do Not Disturb. See, allow during Do Not Disturb. Tap this and choose what you want to allow. You can select calls from when you have Do Not Disturb on. You can select to still let calls from your contacts to come through, or maybe favorite contacts only, or you can choose none at all, like if you don't want any call coming through at all. So go back and also check apps. You go back here and you check app notification like that to allow notification from important apps. So you can add apps, you touch here to add apps that you want to allow to send you notification. So you can also schedule Do Not Disturb by tapping schedules. You can also schedule by tapping schedule. You see where you say app schedule, add schedule. You can like sleep, you can add schedule for like sleep, meetings or study time, like that. So follow the prompts. So use this feature when you're sleeping, working or even studying to stay focused but still get urgent calls from family or your boss. Tecno, Infinix, OnePlus, that is most Androids, most Android 12, 13, 14 devices. You go to settings, you tap notifications or app notifications on some devices. You tap Do Not Disturb or DND mode. Turn it on. Find the Allow Exceptions or Priority Only settings. Select which calls, messages, and apps you want to come through. You can also schedule DND, short for Do Not Disturb, automatically based on time or events. Quick tip: turn this on during lectures, prayer time, or meetings. You will thank yourself later. For iPhone users, you open settings, you tap focus, you tap Do Not Disturb. It's now part of focus mode. Toggle it on. Under allowed notifications, choose people and apps that can reach you. You can customize different focus mode for work, personal time, sleep, and so on. You can also schedule focus modes to activate automatically. So bonus tip: use focus mode to auto-respond to messages when you're busy. Super useful for maintaining boundaries. There's another tip. If you have Sensum, you can equally go to quick settings here. You can turn Do Not Disturb on and off here, like under this quick settings here. Okay, so and there you have it. Whether you're using Samsung, Tecno, Infinix or any Android or iPhone, now you can enjoy peace and stay connected to what matters most. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe for more practical smartphone guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.